Well, that's the end of that chain. Entry over it later. Bad shit. Ready? Yep. No. Hi, welcome back. I'm just going to go over what I've fixed and what I've changed on my Surly Ogre for my circumnavigation of Australia. I'm currently in Adelaide after circumnavigating from Canberra to the east coast to Melbourne, around Tasmania, Great Ocean Road, up to Adelaide, staying at a friend's house for a couple of days. Anyway, shout out to Andy next door. He's a bike mechanic, basically did everything. Yeah, so I'll go through what we did. First thing we did, we replaced the derailleur cable because it had a slight bend in here. Checked all the spokes, changed the brakes, disc brakes, aligned the wheel. Not that it needed aligning, but it was pretty true. So the front cogs and the rear cogs were taken off. So I got 3 on the front, 10 on the back. They were taken off and put through a machine and professionally cleaned. Got a new chain. It's actually a 10-speed chain, which is good for the 10 speeds. But it's actually an electric bike chain, so it should be more durable, more tough. See how we go. Also replaced the rear brake. Adjusted the derailleur, so it shifted through all the gears really good. This was taken out completely, the rear bottom shaft, replaced, re-greased, and put back in, and torqued. So I found the torquing wasn't correct. Everything's got a torque capacity, and that was all done nicely. I've checked all the bolts, every single bolt. I've taken off and I've oiled, wiped off. I've reset the dynamo. Power coming through the dyno hub up through here. I just got to zip tie that back on through my USB, so it powers not just the front light but the rear light. Also I can hook up a USB at the same time. It only works once you're going 12 kilometers over. So yeah, any questions on the bike, let me know. A lot of work was done. Brook saddle is the most comfortable saddle I've ever had. It looks hard and rough, but it's like sitting on a lounge chair. Yeah, Robert the reindeer, still good. I'm going to keep it. I got a couple more parts. I got a dry bag. So from here, I'm heading up to Port Augusta. Then I'm going to go 100 kilometers south along the coast to a place called Walhalla while I'm looking after a house, a property for 10 days. And then once I've done that, I will then head up to Kimber, then down to Ceduna, spend a couple of days reorganising myself in Ceduna, and then head out across Nullarbor. I'll actually do a video on every roadhouse on the Nullarbor, So water points, food, prices, places you can stay for future reference, because I found that pretty hard to information to come across. So yes, any water points, toilets, phone reception, I'll mark on the map. Alright, if you've got any questions, let me know. This rear wheel is fantastic. It was all true when it was aligned. There's nothing wrong with it. All the spokes are good. Fantastic bike for touring. Right, now I've just got to pack everything up, head off. Yeah, shout out to Andy again. Wouldn't be able to do it, next door neighbour to the place I'm staying at. Bike mechanic. It's meant to be.